Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a brand new Yahoo email account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Yahoo and just go to yahoo.com and select the sign in button over the top right. Select where it says create an account. And then at this point, you would fill in your name, email address, password, and date of birth. So just type in whatever information is pertinent to your personal information. You can also create an account using a different email. So if you have a Google account or a different email client, you just go ahead and fill that in by using an existing email address. But it's not quite the same as using a Yahoo account. Please note that once you're done filling this in, you will need to provide a phone number in order to authenticate your account. So once that's done, you will be able to go ahead and create a new Yahoo account. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.